You started in go-karts.
Yes.
How did you progress from go-karts?
So we ran go-karts from '09 to 17, and towards the middle of 17, Dad bought a old dirt cart for me to start practicing in, and trying to make that transition. Well, the man that he rents from, Anthony Anders, he won the NASCAR National Weekly Series points and whatever else in the late model stock class. He told Daddy, we got an old asphalt late model, you know, put him in that, let him try that. So I went and practiced it, and I liked it. So we ended up going to asphalt late model route initially,
Okay.
and bought a somewhat newer car at the end of 17, ran a couple of races. 18 ran a full season, won track championship. And in the middle of 18, a man, Barry Thorne, gave me an opportunity to run a pure stock on dirt. And man, I loved it.